Buenos dias. Well, it's about 3:20 in the morning, and I'm making the drive from Boquete to Volcan. I'm driving there to meet up with my guide Charlie, who's going to take me up Volcán Barú, the high point of Panama, over 11,400 feet high. It would also be my second country high point and my first volcano, so a lot of exciting things today, if I can make it up there. But of course, at that height, the altitude may be an issue, so we'll see how that goes. You need a guide to hike Volcán Barú, so Ricardo, who took us out to Islas Chicas, he connected me with Charlie, and I'm going to be meeting him for 4 a.m. and where he's going to take me in to the trailhead. It's about 8 miles round trip, but holy hell is it a lot of climbing. About, I think, 5,500 feet, so it basically just goes straight up. It's a pretty grueling ascent and descent. You can also hike Volcán Barú from the Boquete side. It's a much longer hike, 18 miles round trip, so you spread that elevation over a much longer distance. But that's basically on just old dirt roads that Jeeps also use to get to the top of Volcán Barú. But this seemed like a more exciting route. You can see Volcán Barú from Jimmy and Nora's neighborhood, and in the morning it's very often clear, but it gets pretty cloudy up there as the day goes on, so that's why we're starting so early, to improve our chances of having clear skies at the top. And that's important because from Volcán Barú you can actually see, when the weather cooperates, both the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans, which is pretty wild. But I still got a half hour of driving to go on these back roads. Roads aren't too bad here in Panama. They're paved and in pretty good shape, so it's just about taking my time and getting there in one piece. Little creature. Oh, it's got a little baby. Here we are. Volcán Barú, we're heading up. All right, 2 miles in so far. There's been a couple of brutally steep sections, but then it mercifully flattens out for a bit. But I don't think the flat stuff's gonna last much longer, so I'm enjoying it while I can. Oh, yay. Yeah. Ay, ay, ay. Well, they give us stairs though, that's nice. Hola. Hola. Buenos días. Ah, gracias. Hola. Hola. Buenos días.
Buenos días. Ahí abajito en el vaina que uno descansa aquí y tratando de disimular a la gente, pero ya con el radio tengo que decirle esto: hey, dímelo, dímelo, dímelo.
Dale, let's go. Hasta luego.
Chao, chao, chao.
Temp's currently 60 degrees. The wind feels nice when it kicks up. We'll be dealing more of that soon enough. Whew, incredible canyon. Huh. .5 kilometers to go, unless the summit's actually beyond the camp. Yeah, so it's more than 2.5. The sign's just tricking me. It's maybe for the best. We are up there now, but we got still a ways to go to get up to that gap, and then I think the volcano craters behind that. But oh, this is hard. I don't feel terrible. Tired. Breathing heavy. No headaches, so estoy bien. Estoy bien. Clouds down low. Will we have clear skies at the top? I don't know. We'll see.
mountain
Mm-hmm.
is Costa Rica, the border of Costa Rica.
Those mountains way over there?
Yeah.
That's Costa Rica.
Yeah.
Cool. Big volcanic rock slide there.
Exactly.
Oh yeah. So, is that Volcan?
Yeah. Es camino, no es como esto. Pero es más largo y te da más.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. Era mejor, pero...
Buenos días.
Y el ocupo son 150 para ya pegarle algo más. Le faltó como la mitad. Las vi por aquí no subieron tanto. Y por aquí tampoco subió bastante caro. Sí.
Trabajo ahora. Pero bien. This is very similar to what we have at home. This kind of terrain, just big rocks like this. I feel at home. Oh, lava rock. Hard work for my guide too, so makes me feel a little better. But yeah, we're in it now. Steep rocky stuff, but feels like home. So far, elevation's not taking its toll on me. My legs are tired, but no headache. I feel all right. Temps are in 58. The wind's picking up as we approach this little col. On the other side, I think, is the crater. Beyond that, the summit. We're in there. All right. Getting near the top, folks. Change. The change, yes. Definitely the wind picking up. Temperatures dropping. Oh, I see. Another one of those lights. Maybe not what you expect to see up here, but this pole has a light that flashes red at night. Just to let people know that this is the trail. Far out. Finally getting some sun. Have to put on our sunscreen. Charlie's struggling with cramps, poor guy. He's soldiering on. Just gotta get up over that gap. Here comes the wind. Hit it.
The principal crater.
So that's the main crater? Right down there. Oh, and that's where people camp.
Yeah.
Oh, on those little platforms. Not bad. 3.5 hours. I'm making you work.
Very well.
Okay, this is it. Final push. Whew. Stairs are nice. I'm tired now. Breathing heavy. Getting a little hoarse. Altitude is taking its toll. But very pleased. Very pleased. No headache. I don't feel like hot buttered ass like I did the time I hiked Mount Gorgonio. Estoy bien. Estoy muy bien. I feel like I've beat the hell out of my guide with the pace I was setting. And if I'm being honest, it makes me feel pretty proud for this flatlander from Los Estados Unidos to be able to give a local Panamanian guy a run for his money. We don't need to read too much into it, but I'm going to read as much into it as I want because this is my day and I'm pleased as punch. Look at these trees with the moss growing on them. Fantastic. Currently 61 degrees out, so the sun is kicking the temp up a bit. It is not cold. It's lovely. Here's the main crater of Volcán Barú, and you can camp down there, which is pretty cool. Off in the distance, that's Volcan, the town of Volcan. Wow. Behind that, the Pacific Ocean and Costa Rica. Hola,
Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal?
There's the Atlantic. There's the Pacific. We can see both. That is awesome. Lots of snacks for the bird. We are at the top. Volcán Baru. So we got Charlie. Made it. What a view. I mean, come on. I've seen this peak in the clouds more often than not on this trip. So to get it on a day like this is special. Very lucky. Now to get down in one piece. So what does that sign say?
God is coming.
God is coming.
Yep.
So be on your best behavior, folks.
So we go down, take care
Okay.
of this type of rocks.
Yeah. Very loose.
Yeah, exactly. We don't want any injury link.
You're not done till you get off the mountain.
Exactly.
I'm done with this loose sand. It is not fun. Slipping and sliding. Just that much more exhausting. I think we're almost at the end of it. Then we'll be in the forest. Should I be on sturdier trail? Into the woods. End of this loose rock because it sucks ass. And the rest of the trail will be much better. Muy bien. A lot of people going up. Big packs because they're camping up there. Good luck. They got a long climb. One little uphill section before we go down for good. Oof. Oh, my knee's not feeling great. I haven't mentioned it in any of my videos, but my right knee's all freaked up. Took a bad fall in November and essentially it's the same problem I had with my left knee previous winter. Hurts if I run. Gets really sore. It's starting to ache right now. So last year I had arthroscopic surgery on the left knee, and now next week when I get back I'm gonna do it on the right knee. Hopefully that'll take care of my issues. Last November I tripped on a wooden bridge. I wasn't even running on trails. I was on the road run, and then I went over a wooden bridge with some loose planks and I wasn't paying attention, stupid. Down I went. So by the time you see this video, the surgery will probably be over. Let's hope it went well. Volcán Baru is in the books. I am spent. Thanks to my guide Charlie for getting me up there.
Yeah.
It's fun. I'm beat. Ready for some food. Get home and have a nap. Thanks as always for watching. See you next time.